Hey traders, in this video we're gonna discuss Bitcoin. So like I mentioned that day when the price was around this level, I said they will hunt the people at the top and then they will start to drop and hunt those at the bottom. It's not about hunting or what, it's just over leverage where those people here who have sold first time they got liquidated at this point. Those who have never closed, we will never know this fact, but at this point you can see there are indicators and there are metrics to see at this point how liquidation happens. You can use bookmap for example to look at these things, but we will just go through this chart and we'll just look from this point of view. Don't need to go so advanced, so technical. So at this point we saw first push and then market corrected and then started to push higher and higher and higher. And remember in the previous video I mentioned about trap traders. See how trap traders thing work here. And this was the I mean from this point this was the first push down, then it came back to the resistance. So this is like the minor resistance. So it came here, it showed some kind of like a way that okay, market might go up, and look what happened next, all red candles. So now those people who have put their stop loss here, is about to get out of the market. So what we want to see is we want to see these people out first, then market has to readjust, then we can see maybe a move higher to the upside. So as for this moment, this phase has been done. The shorts are out of the market. Those who have sold here, maybe added more positions, their liquidation point will be lower and lower and lower, or they were added more leverage. So this in turn liquidated their position. We will never know. I'm just showing in the sense of the market psychology point of view. So now we would like to see the market to drop, and then we can maybe look for a buy position, okay, with a small risk. If you want to be very cautious, just wait at the bottom here. That's the best, because if the market were to drop very quickly, it can come and trigger. There will be maybe a couple of people who waiting to enter below the wick. That is also possible. So we will just have to wait and see what happens. So same thing for Ethereum. The Ethereum one is more aggressive. Here we see this was the push down, it dropped, came back to this level, and immediately shoot up, then now is heading back down. So maybe below this you can try to take a buy position. That's the best approach. Don't have to take a buy position here. Yes, it may suddenly maybe go up, who knows. Nobody knows in this world that market can do like this, but it's always best to buy. If you want to buy it cheap. If you want to sell it as expensive as possible. Okay, so this is very short video, just to give an update about the previous one, because it is a very first thing is very sad to see a lot of people lost money here out of the market, and then this is just happening again and again and again. So the trap traders mentality and all that it's very common to see. When market is going up like this, people tend to go into the trade, then next thing market drop, and then at this point also if we take a look from this point, see, market created a new high. Market is in the higher low area, so it's a good time to buy. But what happens? It drops. So let's wait and see what happens. I predict that market can drop further around this area and then stabilize a bit and then start to go up. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.